Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how to install Zoom on Ubuntu. For that, first go to the Ubuntu Software Center, click on it. After clicking, go to the search option and herein type Zoom. Press enter. Now search for the Zoom. Here it is, Zoom client, or you could have directly mentioned client. Press enter. Here it is, click on it. Here it is. Now click on install. Enter the password, admin password. Click authenticate. Now it will install. Here it is. We have installed it successfully. Minimize and go to the activities panel. Click on it. Here in type Zoom. And now the Zoom will be visible. Click on it. Now it will open. Here it is. You can sign in. So guys, in this video we saw how we can install Zoom on Ubuntu. Thank you for watching the video.